Hey guys, I'm gonna do a short comedy with Old Factor. No, get me out of this shit. Old Factor, if you don't stop having a mental breakdown, I swear to God. This is the New Year's Eve. Don't you think about do something stupid. Fine. And I think this guy has super anger issues because he couldn't handle the joke. New Factor, why the fuck did you expose me? Why do lions hunt? Factor, I asked a simple question, mother hecker. And I gave a complex answer. Animal abuser. Die. You first. No, 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 no.
Also, guys, I return making MS Agent videos, but I will make it a little bit because this is my last video, the second last video of the New Year's Eve. So yeah. By the way, guys, get ready for the New Year's Eve and goodbye 2023, the worst year ever because dramas. So yeah, see ya.